Hello everybody, this is Wiz Frog, and I am going to teach you programming and how to make your own robot. And today we're going to do the main two things that we're going to do is I'm going to ask you a simple question that you're not even going to take 5 minutes, and I'm going to introduce all the part of the robot and like all the small things that you might need to add into your robot. So first is the small question. You need to think about what is the goal of learning coding or programming. For me, it's like I like to do it for my future job, and maybe your might be like a hobby or same as mine, or it's just like things you might want to know a bit, so you might need to think about it for a few seconds. Okay, let's now talk about the part of robots and some small parts. Right here is the whole entire robot, and there's a body. And right here, there's a breadboard that you can think about, like this is like the body part, and here has a Uno board, which you can think as a brain. So right here we have that wire that already being wired. There's some senior. There's a LED. So I already add 3 LED into here, which could light up, but I haven't coded yet. And there's 2 wires for the positive and the negative. Right here, there's a red line and the blue line. These two, like how it works is that these 2 wires connecting the breadboard, but this 2 wire only makes these half of this breadboard working. So we need 2 more wires to make the other side of the breadboard work. So this is how these 2 work. And this is like just like the brain, how the brain connect to the body, like just these 2 wires. And you might want to add some others wire stuff too on the breadboard, so you can make much funner stuff. This is a USB portal that you can use this USB cable to connect this to your computer. And this is a battery cable that you can connect right to here to connect your battery right here. So you can connect your battery right here. And at the back, you can see there's a DC motor which connects to the wheel. To make this DC motor work, you need a motor chip on the top. So you need like this motor chip to connect on the breadboard, like maybe right in the middle, and connect 4 wires to the brain, so that you can control how the DC motor, how fast it can go and how slow it can go. This is a keypad. It's used for maybe you want to do something fun with like a sounds things, or like maybe you want to make like a safety box, maybe like that. So you can code a correct code in here, and if you type a wrong code in here, they'll maybe like not open it, and if you type it right, it will open it. This is a buzzer. It can make sound when you call in. Like it's not sound really nice, but it's still a sound. And like I said before, if you want to maybe make a safety box, maybe when you press the wrong password, it can make like a noise, a really bad noise. But when you're maybe like type it right, you can just make a really nice sound on this buzzer to make it like really fancy. This is the LDR sensor. You can like tell when it's light up and light down. So if you cover it, it will show light down, and if you uncover it, it will show it's light up. But first you have to code it to let it show up. So maybe you can use for like when the light is down, the LED will turn on. When the light is up, the LED will turn off. It can maybe like just like this little control things. You can play with it. this is almost all the stuff that you like, little things that you need to know about in the future few episodes. So we will like almost talking about how to code all of these and how to wire all of these. And we can make some fun patterns about the LEDs. Maybe you can do that. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's Wiz Frog. Okay, bye.